Alright, this morning is going to be Graham's first flight of the M29 Express. After some more modifications to try and strengthen the wings, and we'll take off very shortly. Okay, all systems seem to be checking out okay. Time for Graham to have his first flight in this plane. Looking forward to this for some time. Okay, here we go.
Still wants the helicopter to pull up. On full throttle. Jammed on full.
Okay.
We're gonna wait. Oh man, it's gonna be. Actually, we've lost control. Yeah, I got it back.
Yeah, get out a bit lower.
Lost control.
Uh-oh. Wow. Well, this is the aftermath of the beast coming down. We got too hot, the battery pretty much melted.
That's what happens when you completely lose control.
Cool.
And it sets fire to itself in the air.
Well, okay, well that's the M29 over and done with. On to the next project.